Out and again with the dog on a walk. He's here, little Ace, famous little lad. Come on, Ace. Ace, come on. Ace. Yeah, I watched a video night before last about Siamese twins being joined together. Two heads, one body. Puzzles me. Just how can they do certain things? If they go, one wakes up during the night and wants to go to the toilet, the other one's got to go with her. If one of them's having a driving test, does the other one pass as well at the same time? Passport, have they got to have 2 photos? Fingerprint scanner. How did he do it? There's loads of different things you think about. I mean, I'm not disrespecting them at all, just it's questions what people think and they don't ask. I mean, if one commits murder, kills somebody or has to go to prison, does it mean the other one gets punished because she's got to go with her? I don't know. Did they have 2 cars, a left-hand drive and a right-hand drive, because one of them's going to have their head out the window all the time otherwise? I suppose it's handy because they can say to each other, "Can you look behind, make sure there's nothing coming." When one of them's sick, when they feel sick, which one is sick? If they have to go for the sanitary towels, do they get, it's your turn to pay this month? It's your turn to pay this month, not mine. Do they get double allowances? Do they have to pay double bus fare? Because it's only one body, or it's 2 heads. I have 2 heads better than one. I don't know, it's what if one comes home with a boyfriend and then the other one doesn't like him? Has she got to put up with it? Because it's not like she can walk out the room and leave her. If they get married, is it classed as bigamy for the man? I don't know. What if one's a lesbian and one's straight? How does that work? I don't understand it, but it's the way things have got to work out for them. They must. I mean, I couldn't imagine being stuck inside of my brother 24/7. We'd fall out within 2 hours, 3 hours, easy. Fall out easy. So, if they are, one's married, obviously, the other one doesn't like it, she decides to, I don't know, cut his bits off, and the other one has to go to prison because she's done that. Well, who's to blame? Who's to blame? Well, it probably won't hear me so good on here because it's bloody wind. But, yeah. It's like political correctness. You can't say certain things. You can't do anything. You can't say anything. I remember working with a man once, and it was on where we was working, and he didn't talk to me for a good 30 minutes. And it was I'm contradicting myself in a way, it's only so I can explain to you what I mean. He was a black man, because this, is it because of that? And he's probably thinking the same. And I said to him, do you know what I don't like about you? He said, what's that? But a big fella. He said, what's that? I said, every colour suits you. And do you know what his response was? Laughing. He turned round to me and said, do you know what I don't like about you? I says, go on. He goes, you've took my blackboard away from me. So we can't say blackboard, but yet we can say whiteboard. So where's the logic in that? We can't say blackboard, we can say whiteboard. We can't say black sheep, but we can say white sheep. So where's the moral in it? I don't know. There's quite a few different things what you think about, and I'm not racist one bit. I brought up with 4 brothers and we've got a sister who's black. When we was younger, we couldn't say black, we had to say coloured. Now, black, coloured, everyone's the same. Whenever I go to somewhere, I do work in the care system, but I would never say, oh, I've got to go to this black man, or black woman, or Asian, I've got to go to this gents, or I'll go to this ladies. So it doesn't work, it doesn't bother me what religion is. I mean, we can't have Merry Christmas on our cards, season's greetings now, but yet we can have mosques and things what wasn't in England. I'm not saying that they shouldn't have them, that's their religion, but let's keep our religion as well, or our beliefs. We've always been brought up with Father Christmas, Jesus, Joseph, and Christmas cards. We're in a world now where it's politically correct. You can't be political correctness, political correct, whichever way you want to say it. But why can't we say things what we want to say? I mean, if there was a Pakistani man, and his name was Stan, could we say Pakistan? You couldn't say if it was Steve, but you can say Pakistan. People live in Liverpool, we call them Scousers. They don't get offended. I think it's people saying that they get offended by what you say like that. And they don't. I understand with the word N, the N word, I understand that, because that's, if you do the research on that, you'll find out it's a little bit more in depth. But if you live in Manchester, you're called a Mank. They don't get offended. Turks, they don't get offended. Why is it that we can't say Pakistan without the Stan in it? See how I did that? So, why are we living in a country where we cannot say things? Freedom of speech is supposed to be something what we all say, and we all be able to say what we think, and now we can't. You've got to be very careful what you say. Everybody is the same. People they might call me a dick, but I'm not offended by it. I am a dick at times. Stupid, I don't get offended by that. What? It's like him. He's half collie, half husky. We call him a Kaluska. If it was you, he wouldn't be offended. We take everything to heart. We shouldn't do. I mean, like I said with the Siamese twins, I don't mean anything offensive by it, it's just, if we don't ask the questions, we never find out any reasons why. I mean, there is 2 girls who's Siamese twins, and they passed the driving test, and each of them took the test to get the licence. But the passport situation, I don't know, are they exempt because you know it's them? mean, I got told off once. Well, I got dragged up into the office because of something I said. I said, I turned round and I just turned round and said, oh, I thought you were Susan Boyle then. The woman reported me because I called her Susan Boyle. Susan Boyle would be more offended than what she should have been. Yeah, I'll leave that with you and have your thoughts, see what you think about it, but I can't understand why political correctness, Siamese twins and things like that, we can't talk about it. We should do. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.